kill a zombie, the best way is to shoot it in the head, right? Wrong. Yes, it may work in the movies, but this would be a surefire way to get yourself killed in real life. What else has pop culture got wrong about the living dead? You better find out quickly, because these flesh-eating creatures are coming your way. It's time to forget everything you thought you knew about zombies. How to Survive presents the worst things to do in a zombie apocalypse. Zombies are irrational walking dead creatures with simple goals. They want to eat your brain and maybe turn you into one of them. The more people they bite, the more zombies they create. And before you know it, you're dealing with a full-blown apocalypse. We all like to think we'd know what to do in a situation like this. But we'd be bound to make mistakes without proper training. Today we'll be looking at the worst things to do if you want to make it out of this alive. Where's the worst place to find food? What weapons should you avoid using? And why is traveling in groups a bad idea? After fighting all those zombies, you probably won't smell very nice. Lucky for you, we've got you covered with Scentbird. This monthly subscription service gives you access to more than 600 fragrance brands, including top designers like Prada, Gucci, and Versace. Scentbird works directly with the brands, so you know you're getting authentic products. Scentbird is now available in the US and Canada. For only $16 a month, you can choose new fragrances every month. If you want to take a break, you can just skip any month without penalty. You can also upgrade to receive 2 or 3 fragrances per month. Just twist the case, and there it is. Scentbird vials are 8 times bigger than a regular fragrance sample. This time I got 3 amazing fragrances. Brioni Intense by Brioni, German Street by Florence London, Morning After by Confessions of a Rebel, for those moments when you just need to be cool. If you click on the link in the description below and use our code HTS55, you'll get 55% off your first month at Scentbird. You'll enter the world of luxury fragrances for only $7. But before you can do that, you'll need to get back home alive, so keep watching. Number 1. Don't loot. The morning news announced that hordes of brain-hungry zombies are overrunning cities around the world. Your first instinct may be to run to your nearest grocery store and get everything you need, then lock yourself up for a long time at home. But raiding crowded places like shopping malls will only put you in more danger. As the disease spreads from human to human, you'll need to avoid crowds. So get out of the city and find other sources of food and shelter. But there are plenty of other dangers waiting for you in the countryside. We'll get to those later. Number 2. Don't shoot. The best way to get rid of a zombie is to blow its brain up. Fair enough, but the sound of a gunshot will attract crowds of other zombies. So you'd be better off using quieter weapons like baseball bats, metal sticks, and, you guessed it, arrows. Just like that. Number 3. Don't trust anyone. It's been a couple weeks since you built a forest shelter and secured your food and water sources. Suddenly, you see a group of people coming in your direction. It may give you hope, but remember that everyone is now in survival mode. They may not hesitate for a second to seize your shelter, food, and water. They could even kill you. Trust no one. Hide quietly and stay out of their way. Hopefully they won't notice your settlement and keep moving. But if they don't, you'd better leave and find another place to live. Number 4. Don't forget about nature. When out in nature and constantly on the move, don't forget about natural hazards such as predators, poisonous creatures, and hostile environments. Dealing with predators and critters depend on the environment you are in. But a good tip is to not look predators in the eye and back away slowly, showing that you are not a threat. Most dangerous spiders will not attack you if they don't feel threatened, so be respectful with crawlers and always be aware of the creatures around you. Number 5. Don't get attached. Unfortunately, in an emergency like this, nothing is safe. Not your shelter, belongings, or even your loved ones. You will always be on the move and have dangerous encounters with zombies and desperate, violent humans. Some of your loved ones may be injured or infected. If you want to survive, you will need to be able to leave them behind and keep moving. But what would be the point of surviving without them? Perhaps the ultimate fight will require you to give everything for yourself and your loved ones to survive. Phew, that was rough. Unfortunately, you cannot kill all the horror movie characters with baseball bats and arrows. Have you heard of Michael Myers? It seems there's no way to kill him, not with guns, fire, or even explosives. He always comes back for more. But with the help of science, we may have found a way to get rid of him for good. Do you want to know how? Keep watching here on How to Survive.